Welcome back or welcome to my little creative corner if you're new. In this video I show you 3 Witchy and Boho inspired room decors you can easily make at home. We will make some twisted and marbled candles, an embroidery wall decor and a moon jewelry box. Let's start with the candles. You will obviously need some candles, a rolling pin, I used this little tea light jar, and you will need a tea light and something to light it. At last you need a container the size of the candles with some warm water. Put the candle into the water for 10 minutes. Then use the rolling pin to make it flat. Next, twist the candle carefully. When you're happy with your twisted candle, place it in some cold water so it won't change its form again. You can see me repeat the process with another candle, but this time I make bigger twists to change things up. Now let's get the marbled effect onto our shaped candles. Start by lighting a tea light, then move the candle above your tea light to create smoke marks. Here you can see me repeat the process for the other candle. One of the twisted candles I left blank to get a variety of 3 different designs. I think it makes an interesting ensemble when decorated. Next is our Moonphase Jewelry-Box. I found this mirror box at a thrift store. You can definitely find something similar in your thrift store, or maybe a nice wooden box would be perfect too. I use a white paint marker to draw my moon face design. One full moon in the middle, framed by 2 crescent moons. In addition, I write a little magic quote on the inside cover of the box. Our third DIY for this video is an embroidered wall decor with a magic theme. For this you need an embroidery hoop, some fabric, embroidery thread and a needle. Let's start by placing the fabric inside the hoop and cutting it to size. Here you can see me draw a sketch of my design on the back of the fabric with the marker from our last DIY. When I'm satisfied with the layout of my design, I start embroidering using the back as a reference. Now I start with embroidering the design. When I'm finished with this step, this little wall decor is ready to go up in your room. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you enjoy art and crafts videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey.